2018 Kia Sportage. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: satellite radio, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!